Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a swap on the STONFi. So first of all, you go to your browser and click on app.stonfi. Okay, it will take you to the DApp, and then the second thing you have to do is to connect your wallet. And then select your wallet and connect via the extension. And then thirdly, you have to select the tokens which you want to swap to. Okay, after you've successfully input the tokens, you click on swap and then confirm swap. After you've clicked on confirm, a transaction will pop up in your wallet, and all you have to do is to accept transaction, and boom, everything is done in seconds. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also to get started, visit the link on the screen. Thank you.